Introduction to integrating Google Sheets and Slack.
Want to keep your team updated automatically? By integrating Google Sheets with Slack using Make, formerly known as Integromat, you can instantly send spreadsheet updates to your Slack channels. This automation saves time and ensures everyone stays on the same page, making your workflow smoother and more efficient.
Setting up accounts on Make.
Before creating your integration, make sure you have active Google, Slack, and Make accounts. Log into Make and authorize access to both your Google Sheets and Slack workspaces. This will allow Make to connect these services and perform actions on your behalf securely.
Creating a scenario in Make.
In Make, scenarios are automated workflows. Start by clicking Create a new scenario. Search for and add the Google Sheets and Slack modules. These modules let you choose actions like watching for spreadsheet changes or sending Slack messages based on those updates.
Configuring Google Sheets triggers.
Choose your Google Sheets module and set it to watch for new rows, updates, or other changes in your selected spreadsheet. You'll need to pick which spreadsheet and worksheet the automation should monitor. This ensures notifications are only sent when the right data changes.
Setting up Slack notifications.
Add the Slack module and set it to send a message to the desired channel or user. Customize the message format using data from your Google Sheet, such as row contents or timestamps. This way, your Slack notifications will be clear, informative, and relevant.
Testing and activating your scenario.
Once your scenario is set up, run a test to make sure everything works as expected. If the integration correctly sends Google Sheets updates to Slack, you can activate it. Your automation will now run as scheduled, keeping your team informed in real time.